All right, everybody, settle in. Let's talk about something that sounds a little wild at first. Fasting. Not eating? On purpose? Sounds like you forget lunch when you're busy. But stick with me. It's fascinating. People try it to reset their systems for potential health benefits out of sheer curiosity. It's like pressing a restart button on your internal computer. Not starving. Giving your body a break from digesting 24/7. It's a vacation for your gut. This isn't a diet plan. Not about losing a bunch of weight in a week to fit into your college skinny jeans. Let them go. It's about the genius things your body does behind the scenes when it's not breaking down that bagel. Okay, day 1. The journey begins. You've had your last meal. Waved goodbye to snacks. You're officially fasting. The first 24 hours are mostly a mental game. Your body is still running on the fuel from your last meals. Think of your body like a hybrid car. Right now, it's still running on the gasoline, the glucose, from the carbs you ate. Your digestive system is finishing up its work. Your body is tapping into glycogen stores. Glycogen, stored glucose, packed away in your liver and muscles. It's your emergency stash, like snacks in a glove compartment. You'll probably start feeling some hunger pangs today. That's totally normal. Your body is used to a schedule. It's like a toddler who knows snack time. Your hunger hormone, ghrelin, is knocking on the door, saying, hello? Is anyone going to answer? Where's the pizza? Your job is to politely tell it, not today, ghrelin, not today. Drink plenty of water, maybe some black coffee, or tea. You might feel a little grumpy, or have a headache. People call this the keto flu, really just your body adjusting. It's like the first day of a new job, a little confusing. You're not sure where the coffee machine is. By the end of day 1, no more glucose is coming in. The glycogen stores in your liver are getting pretty low. This is a crucial first step. Your body has to burn through easy access sugar before it can switch fuel. It uses the easiest energy first. You're clearing the deck to make way for the main event. Stay hydrated, stay busy, remember why you started. The real magic is just around the corner. You've got this. On to day 2. Welcome to day 2. If day 1 was the warm-up, day 2 is where the real metabolic shift begins. Your glycogen stores are now basically empty. The sugar car has run out of gas. So, what does your brilliant body do? It calmly walks over to its backup generator. This is where ketosis comes in. Ketosis means your body breaks down stored fat into ketones. Ketones become an amazing alternative fuel, especially for your brain. Your body is turning fat into high-powered brain food. This transition can feel a little bumpy. That keto flu might still be hanging around. You might feel tired, a bit foggy, maybe irritable. Your brain is learning a new operating system. Imagine trying to run Apple software on Windows. It takes time, but it adapts. Ketones are clean, efficient brain fuel. On day 2, hunger can actually start to decrease. Sounds crazy, right? You'd expect to be ravenous. Ketones can suppress ghrelin, that pesky hunger hormone. The hunger monster might be quieter on day 2. Your body is settling into a new rhythm. It decides to use stored food from inside. Resourcefulness. Day 2 is the big switch. From a sugar-burning engine to a fat-burning one. A major metabolic milestone. You're now officially in ketosis, running on clean energy from your fat stores. This is a huge accomplishment. You're past initial shock, adapting beautifully, pushing through to the good stuff. The good stuff is coming. Next, an exciting phase of cellular repair. Hello, day 3. This is often the day people start to feel a real shift. The clouds of brain fog might start to part. A new sense of clarity and energy can kick in. Why? Because your body has now fully embraced ketosis. Your brain is happily feasting on ketones, and your energy levels can become surprisingly stable, without the ups and downs that come from sugar crashes. But something even more profound is starting to happen deep within your cells. We're now entering the magical realm of autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating. I know it sounds a little Hannibal Lecter, but it's one of the most beneficial processes that happens during a fast. Think of it as your cells doing a deep spring cleaning, finding misfolded proteins, worn-out organelles, and gobbling them up. They break them down and recycle them into new, usable parts. It's like melting a broken-down car for scrap and using it to build a brand-new, shiny vehicle. It's cellular rejuvenation at its finest. This cleanup is a huge deal and is linked to long-term health benefits. Constant eating keeps digestion busy. Fasting frees time for deep cleaning, a survival mechanism from our ancestors. By day 3, you may feel calm, mentally sharp, empowered, your body optimizing itself. Welcome to day 4. By now, you are deep in the fasting zone. For many people, this is the cruise control day. Hunger is often minimal, if not completely gone. Your body is a well-oiled, fat-burning machine. Autophagy is in full swing. Your cells are gobbling up debris like a Roomba in a dusty room. Your body is getting a serious internal makeover. It's optimizing health at the cellular level. Something else really cool starts to ramp up. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF. That's a mouthful. Let's just call it miracle grow for your brain. BDNF encourages new neurons, boosts synapse formation, and helps them resist stress. That rise may be why people feel incredibly sharp, focused, creative. Your brain isn't just getting a new fuel source, it's getting a chemical signal to grow and become more resilient. Fasting seems to clear mental static, like switching from an old AM radio to crystal clear digital. Your body is also becoming more sensitive to insulin. Fasting gives your pancreas a break and lets cells reset their sensitivity, ready to listen again. Day 4 is deep healing for body and brain. You made it to day 5. This is a huge accomplishment, and you should feel incredibly proud. By this point, your body is in a profound state of fasting. You've unlocked so many benefits we've talked about. You're a ketone-fueled machine. Autophagy has been working overtime to clean up your cells. Your brain has been enjoying a nice boost of BDNF. Physically, you might feel lighter and more energetic. The initial challenges are long gone, replaced by stability and well-being. On day 5, your body continues repair. Some studies suggest stem cell production can increase during longer fasts, master cells ready to become what's needed. Cleaning out the old and preparing new. The ultimate renovation. The psychological victory is huge. You've proven you can do hard things, learn to read true hunger, and strengthened your mental muscle. Now break your fast gently, not with pizza and a milkshake. Your digestive system's been on vacation. Wake it softly, bone broth, steamed vegetables, a small piece of avocado. Ease back over a day or two. The way you end the fast is just as important as the fast itself. So, we've been on this wild 5-day journey, and what's the takeaway? The main thing, the big flashing neon sign, is that our bodies are absolutely, positively, mind-bogglingly incredible. We think we need constant fuel, like a car that sputters without gas, but we're far more sophisticated. We have built-in, ancient intelligence that knows how to adapt, refuel, repair, rejuvenate. Fasting is one way to witness that intelligence in action. This journey helps us see what our body needs versus what our mind wants in a world of abundant food, emotion, boredom, and routine. A deliberate pause resets the relationship with food. A simple apple can taste amazing again. We've seen the science, switching to ketosis, firing up autophagy, boosting BDNF. It's not magic, it's biology. Brilliant metabolic pathways doing restorative maintenance. Sometimes the smartest thing for our health is to get out of our own way. Less can truly be more. Whether you fast or not, know what your body is capable of. Trust it, listen to it, be amazed every day. We are walking, talking miracles. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another.